So today I'm going to be using the garlic chili crisp that I make, and I'm going to be making another idea that I've been thinking about for a while, which is a Nashville hot chicken empanada. So I'm gonna do cut up fried chicken that I made, house-made pickles, cheddar cheese. So I will show you how I make the empanada, and then I'll show you the final product, and I'm very excited about it. Got my empanadas that I fried. I have some chili crisp that I made today, and it smells amazing. And I'm not gonna do, because I tried it by itself, it's a little picante, if you will. And take these. And if you want to get real freaky, put the extra chili crisp on top, and then like a hot Cheeto-esque powder. Then, just to really, if I'm spiraling, I might as well really go full spiral. And I made this bomb, herby ranch that I'm just gonna drizzle over each bite because I'm a hog. When something just has a ton of flavor, and you're like, wow, that would be this. Yes, I just drank the ranch. Oh my God. One more bite. So good. Sometimes I make things and I impress myself with how good it tastes.